Hello friends, welcome to yet another video on pivot tables with Microsoft Excel. So today I'll be showing you how you can add a slicer to your pivot table. Now assuming you have this pivot table and you want to add a slicer to it. So assuming you have a pivot table such as this and you want to add a slicer to it, which can allow you to filter the data. What you're going to do is to come over to the pivot table analyze tab, click on it, and then below select under filters, insert slicer. It opens up this, which displays the fields, the data fields. Then you can choose what you want to filter your data by. Say we want to use embarked as our filter variable. Click on OK, and the slicer has been added. Now, let's say you want to filter the passengers by embarked Q. You get the value changing to 46. So we want to look at those at C. Value changes to 102. You can use this icon to clear the filter, and then this other one to permit you to select multiple values at the same time. So the value displayed here is for Q and S. Clear that. Let's remove that. And for the slicer, you can modify it from here, give it another style. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this. If you did, go ahead and like, subscribe to the channel so that you're posted on new upcoming videos. Thank you. Happy learning.